I know there's 150 sheets of paper in the pack. I know that there's 4 children and they each take 7 sheets, so I draw those underneath. 7, this child takes 7, this child takes 7, this child takes 7. What's left, I still don't know. But I do know that 4 7s equal 28, so that can go in this bar here. The remainder is still unknown. But to work that out, I simply do 150 take away 28 gives me the answer 122. I know that Chen must have spent £1.95 if he got 5 pence change from £2. I know that to work out the amount of change that Megan gets, I need to take her £5 and I take away £2.25. 0 take away 5 I can't do, nor can I do 0 take away 2. So I borrow from the £5, but then I need to do the same thing again. That should give me £2.75 that Megan spends. So to compare those amounts, put the largest number in the bar at the top, £2.75. The amount that Chen spends is £1.95 underneath. The difference, or how much more Megan spends than Chen, is the dotted part of the bar. So again, I do my column subtraction, £2.75, take away £1.95, 5 take away 5 is 0, 7 take away 9 I can't do, so I exchange again. 17 take away 9 gives me 8. The £1 take away the £1 leaves me with 80 pence. I just need to make sure when I put my answer in, I write it as either 80 pence or £0.80 as a decimal. There seems to be quite a lot of information in this problem, so I draw my bar to help me understand it. I know that Kirsty buys 1 pair of knee socks. That will cost her £5.45. She also buys 3 pairs of ankle socks. Now I know that from the information she gets 3 pairs for £7.50. So I don't need to do 3 lots of £7.50, I just need to do £7.50. Common mistake would be to add £7.50, £7.50 and another £7.50 because of the number 3. But it's important to note that I get 3 pairs for £7.50. Before I work out how much change she gets, I need to add these two together. £5.45, add £7.50, 5 and 0, sorry, is 5. 40 and 50 gives me the 90. £5 and £7 is £12, so I put 2 there, carry the 1 across. £12.95 is how much Kirsty spends. To work out the change, I know that she had £20 and she spent £12.95. I can use the bar model to help me estimate that the answer should be less than £10 because £12.95 is more than half of £20. £20 take away £12.95. It's quite a complicated one to do using column subtraction, so I might use another method, which is where I think it's 5p takes me to £13, and then I know from £13 to £20 would be £7, so my answer would be £7.05.